Hi, my name is Almunira Alam, and today I would like to present to you about expert system. What is an expert system? An expert system is a computer system that attempts to act like a human expert with capability of solving problems in a particular subject area. Components of expert system. To make an expert system to mimic human thinking and problem solving, it needs comprehensive infrastructures. Basically, components of an expert system are: firstly, human expert; secondly, knowledge base; thirdly, inference engines; fourthly, explanation facility; fifth, knowledge acquisition facility; then working memory, and user interface; and lastly, end user. Okay, here is the detail of components of expert system like we have discussed before. Let's see what we have here. Human expert, knowledge base, inference engine, and explanation facility. This is the things that I have taught before. So, what is human expert? Human expert is a domain expert who has deep knowledge of both facts and rules and strong practical experience in a particular domain. An expert whose knowledge becomes the input for the knowledge acquisition. In today's Jubul and expert system may require to refer to many human experts. And the potential source of knowledge besides a human expert are research reports, books, databases, and the user's own experience. Secondly, knowledge base. Knowledge base represents fact about the world. It consists both factual and heuristic knowledge. What is a factual knowledge? Factual knowledge is a collection of rules or other information structures derived from the human expert, books, and journals. While heuristic knowledge is the less rigorous, more experiential, more judgmental knowledge of performance. Thirdly, inference engine. Inference engine seeks information and relationships from knowledge base, provides answers, predictions, and suggestions like a human expert. It have a backward chaining and forward chaining. What is a backward chaining? Backward chaining is start with conclusion and works backward to supporting facts, while forward chaining is starts with facts and works forward to conclusions. Fourthly is explanation facility. Explanation facility allows a user or decision maker to understand how the expert system arrived at certain conclusions or results. Example of explanation facility is a doctor that can find out the logic or rationale of diagnosis made by a medical expert system. Okay, we continue with knowledge acquisition facility. What is a knowledge acquisition facility? Knowledge acquisition facility is provide convenient and efficient means of capturing and storing all components of knowledge base. Knowledge acquisition can be manual process or a mixture of manual and automated procedure. Working memory. Working memory contains the facts about the problem that is obtained during operation. Working memory refers to task-specific data for the problem under consideration. User interface. User interface specialized user interface software. Employed for designing, creating, updating, and using expert system. And main purpose of user interface is to make development and use of an expert system easier for users and decision makers. And lastly is end user. End user is user who will use and benefits from the expert system. Which is the end user? A end user is we. We are a end user. Okay, the example of expert system in the field of industrial, such as in a medical, in education, and in the agricultural. Okay, I will explain about medical expert system. The example of the expert system that used in medical is X-ray diagnosis. The X-ray diagnosis is a lung disease. X-ray diagnosis, it takes our lung pictures from upper side of body which look like a shadow. The shadow is used to determine the type and degree of harmness. And in this system, the system includes three modes, which is the knowledge base, the explanation interface, and the knowledge acquisition. Next, we go to field agricultural system, agricultural expert system. Why agricultural expert system used? This is the same as other knowledge-based system. It used to give answer about pest control, the need to spray, selection of chemical to spray, weather damage recovery such as fish, and etc. The example of expert system such as a rice crop doctor. This expert system is developed by National Institute of Agricultural Extensions Management. Its main work is to diagnose pests and disease for rice crop and suggest preventive measures. It has knowledge about disease and pests for identifications and suggesting preventative measures. The others example of agriculture expert system such as Agrex, GIS, Lake, Calex. Okay, and lastly, the expert system is used in education field, which is as we can see here, the education used in the field of computer animations, languages, engineering, and computer science. That's all from me, and stay safe. Thank you.